What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to Space Mountain PC. Yeah, today is a little windy out here, so you might get a bit of a shaky cam. Before I begin, for those who have an HP Envy 360 laptop, you may want to watch this video because today I'm going to show you guys how to replace a battery in that particular laptop. But without further ado, let's get right into the action. Here is my HP Envy 360 laptop, and what I'm getting ready to do is replace its battery. Why am I replacing the battery? That's because the battery is now in a poor condition, which means it is no longer able to hold a charge long enough to keep the laptop powered for an extended period of time. So in order for me to do this, I have to open the laptop up. So I'm going to grab my tools and begin replacing the battery. So here's my pry and open tool that I'm going to use on my laptop. I like to call it a 2-end scalpel, and I got a screwdriver. Now if you're curious about what this is called a magnetic project mat. What I'm going to do with this is I'm going to use this to hold on to some screws that I am planning to screw out from the laptop. Wish I had a better angle to show you how I'm going to do this, but I'll do the best I can to show you how I'm going to use this tool. So I'm going to go ahead and put this down and begin the process. So let's go ahead and begin. So I'm going to screw this out first. What I'm doing is I'm right now using the project mat to place them in positions where each screw goes in the bottom of this laptop, so that way I'll know what screw goes where when I screw it back together. Should be nearly done. Screwing this out. Oh yeah, this is a stubborn one. This one doesn't seem like one come out. There it goes. Got it. Put that one right here. Last but not least, okay, so now I have all the screws out of it. Now I'm going to go ahead and try to pry it open. Place this stuff from the front. There we go. It's one, it's two. Three. It's another one. go. Now I have this opened up. Okay. So here's the problem. The problem with this is I can already tell there's something wrong with this battery because it is swollen. So what I have to do now is I'm going to replace this battery. Because it looks so swollen, yeah, it looks like it's about to explode. Not to, alarm anyone. So I'm going to go ahead and replace this battery now. Now, before I replace this battery, I need to screw this one out first. So we're going to start with this part. Okay, that's one. So I'm going to go ahead and keep this in a bit of order. That way I know what goes where. But now as for the battery, I gotta do an imaginary blueprint for which screw goes where. So I'm gonna put the screw for this one like right here. So it goes here. I need to take this screw out. So let's see where these two go. So I'm going to take this one out. Last but not least, now I have this screw out. I got my blueprint on how exactly where each screw goes for this battery. So now I'm going to go ahead and remove the battery now. But before I remove this battery, I'm going to go ahead. Actually, yeah. There we go. Yeah, this thing, yep, it's definitely a little swollen. So now, what I'm going to do is take this battery, put it here for now. Now, it's time for me to grab the battery replacement. Yeah, this is called Futuro Escape. Now, I just spoke that in Portuguese. Now, in English, you would say Futuro SP, but in Portuguese, you say Futuro Escape. I know, it's a funny way of saying it, but I just decided to pick this particular brand of battery because I know that they're one of the best as far as I've read up on Futuro Escape, and they seem to have pretty good replacement parts for laptops. So I'm gonna go ahead and place this battery right here. There we go. All right, that seemed to be a pretty good fit. Now, is everything? Wait, hold up. Let me go ahead. Let's see, is everything in actual order? Okay, now everything. Now we'll go ahead and screw this in. We're gonna start with this one. there we go. Okay, I'll come back to this one. This one's being a little stubborn. Okay, so. So, oh goodness, I dropped my screw. Hold up. Okay, I think I got it back on here. Oh boy, I almost dropped the screw. All right, let's try this again. All right, that seems tight enough. Okay, so I'm gonna try this again because. I swear this part is a little stubborn. I'm gonna see if I can get this screw in here. Okay, there we go. Yeah, it was being stubborn not too long ago, so I got it in. And last but not least. That's in. Just want to make sure everything looking a-okay. Okay, that's tightened in there. That looks a little tightened in there. All right, so that's that. So now, since I done replaced the battery, let's see if this works. Again. So now I'm gonna go ahead, screw this in. And we'll do this one next. Whoa. Oh, stubborn one we have here, don't we? Oh, yeah, the magnet. It's a fight between magnets. Who gets the screw? All right, there we go. All right, that's good. Next. After this, let's see if it powers on. Okay. Okay, that's in there. Last but not least, we are done. So the only thing I have to do now is to see if the laptop powers on. So now I'm going to get ready to see if the laptop is going to power on with the new battery replacement. Here we go. Okay, I hear it, but it's not coming on. Yeah, it came on. Okay, good. Let's hit enter. See what happens. And folks, looks like it works. Awesome. Half a battery? Yep. Real awesome. All right, that's it for the video. Tune in next time where I don't know what I might do next. But until then, I will see you in the next video. Like, subscribe, get notified.